Hey guys, Joel at Kooy Brothers. Today we're here talking about the new ECHO SRM 2320 line trimmer. This machine replaced the prior SRM 225 with some cool new features that make it more of a commercial grade machine. The new gearbox on this machine features a 2-to-1 ratio, giving you about 28% more torque than the prior SRM 225. This is going to give you more productivity out in the field when you're trimming heavy duty brush. Some of the other cool features we have is a full fuel tank guard that gives extra protection if you're throwing it in the back of your trailer. Another cool feature of this machine is a newer designed handle that's a little more ergonomic and easier to handle out in the field. It still features ECHO's ergonomic hand grip system, makes it really easy to hold, less vibration. Like most of the other ECHO line trimmers, it features the SpeedFeed line trimmer head. This makes for easier respooling of your line once you run out of line on the spool. All you do once you run out of line is cut yourself a strip about 2 arm lengths long. You line up the arrows with the eyelets, you feed your line through, and all you do is you start cranking. You start twisting and it's gonna suck the line back in, and you just keep on twisting and it's gonna reload the line automatically. And there you go, fully loaded up, ready to rock and roll.